One way to tell if an air filter is good or not is to hold it up to the sun and try to look through it. This is the old one we pulled out. This is a new one. You can just see the difference side by side. That's one quick, easy way to tell the condition of your air filter. Bundys Garage, Bundy here. Today we're working on a 2011 Hyundai Elantra Touring. Right here, there's 4 clips, 2 up front, 2 in the back as well. You just need to pull those up and off to get access to it. Once you get in there, just go ahead and pull it straight out. You can see some dirt and debris down here. A good practice would be to come in here with a vacuum, suck that out. We're replacing it with a brand new one. Wix part number is 49070. Go ahead. This only goes in one way. If you have it this way, or no, I'm sorry. If you have it this way, it's not going to fit. Just rotate it 90 degrees. Then drop it in. Make sure it's secure. Bring the top housing cover back into place. Then you have the 4 clips that you have to re-engage. So there you go. 4 clips hold this top housing cover on for the engine air filter. Wix part number 49070. Quick and easy. If you have found any of my videos helpful, please consider subscribing. Questions, comments, concerns, you can email me at bundysgarage@gmail.com. And like always, I'll keep them rolling for you.